Punta naman tayo dito sa kanilang cash out. Via GCash yung kanilang payout. Merong 1 peso, 5 pesos, 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 200 up to 500. Ayan, i-payout natin tong ating 200 pesos. Nakabound na yung ating GCash withdraw. Ayan guys, nag-success na yung ating withdrawal. Kailangan nating maghintay ng up to 24 hours. Mabilis lang yan. Wait na lang natin yung ating cash out. Nag-cash out tayo dyan ng 6:36 PM, Thursday, September 7, 2023.
A few moments later.
So, after 2 minutes guys, nag-success na agad yung ating 200 pesos as of September 7, 2023. And then, ito na yung ating na-receive sa ating GCash. Ayan, 200 pesos from Patico Incorporated. So, sobrang bilis lang talaga mag-process nila ng payout guys. Halos instant nga po yung kanilang pasahod dito sa kanilang app.